DJM TV.
President Muhammadu Buhari wife don arrive back to Abuja. Correct country people, how the area be for una side now? Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Sake of the time when it be say the time be now, when it be say una take the look us on top our ogbonge day-to-day informations on top our ogbonge TV station when be DJM TV. My name as usual na Stanley Okocha. Una correct sabi brother, na me wan yarn una the tori when it be say the shele inside Naija on top this time. The tori when just dey shele now be say the wife of the president of Naija, when her name be Aisha Buhari, don fly back enter Naija. This one na after she don spend 6 months for Dubai when it be say dey inside the United Arab Emirates. Sake of say she come be dey fear say her life no dey safe again for inside the president villa when she and her family dey stay, and sake of that one she come out for the country inside September last year when it be 2020. Why she come back now we never know, but we promise say we go give una informate update when e concern her, when e be say the reason when she don come back now go break come out, and we go come yarn una as the matter be. On top the petrol matter, when it be say dey gbege for inside Naija, the federal government of Naija don knack and put for $1.5 billion gbogiri to take rearrange the Port Harcourt petrol kuku place when dey for inside Rivers State. This na the informate when it be say come out today for the 38th computer meeting when the Federal Executive Council when be FEC do for inside the Aso Rock Villa when it be the Presido Villa for inside Abuja. According to the Naija Minister for State for Petrol Matter, when his name be Timipre Silva, as in the yarn with our tori man when tanda for inside the Presido Villa for Abuja, the arrangement of the petrol cook place go shele for 3 RNG when it be 18, 24 and 44 months. The minister yarn say dem don give the contract to one Italian company when be Technimont SPA. Im yarn join say the gbogiri na 3 parts. 9 days sake of say e go come from the Naija National Petroleum Corporation when be NNPC. The second one go come from gbogiri when e be say dem dey collection from inside Naija, Afrimex Bank and the Naija budget. For Mr. Silva mouth, the Ministry for Petrol carry one informate when concern how to take rearrange Port Harcourt petrol cook place when carry $1.5 billion gbogiri, and council come knack and put today. So we dey jollificate and dey happy on top the matter, sake of say na with mind when e sweet na we take dey yarn the arrangement so when go concern the petrol cook place wella when e dey for inside Port Harcourt for inside Rivers State to take cook petrol when we say e go shele for 3 parts. The first part of the rearrangement go shele for inside 18 months, and the petrol cook place go come fit dey cook 90% of petrol when im power go fit carry, sake of say na that stage na go dey that time. The second part go come finish for 24 months, and the final part go come finish for 44 months. I believe say this one na big good tori informate for Naija people. The Minister for State for Petrol Matter come here and join say correct table talk meeting don dey waka for the rearrangement of all the other petrol cook place when dey for inside Naija. For im mouth again, before this government life go expire, we go don start the arrangement of them. As una know, sake of Naija law wey go concern work people for inside Naija, the Naija Content Development and Monitor Board wey be NCDMB dey ground berekete for the contract matter, and this one na to safeguard Naija work contractors wey go fit do work with Technimont SPA. Inside the matter, the before vice president for inside Naija and PDP president seat contestant when his name be Alhaji Atiku Abubakar don condemnate the informate when e be say the Naija government yarn come out say they wan use $1.5 billion gbogiri take rearrange the Port Harcourt petrol cook place. As him yarn this one for im Twitter handle when be at Atiku For the tweet, the before vice president write say the kpogiri when the federal executive council yarn say dem wan spend to take rearrange the Port Harcourt petrol kuku place get suspension for the way im take write am for im Twitter handle. $1.5 billion kpogiri to take rearrange the Port Harcourt petrol kuku place get suspectment. The kpogiri be like say e dey too high, especially as e be say Shell Petrol Developmentation Company sell their Martinez petrol kuku place when dey for inside California for inside United States of America, and that Shell petrol kuku place be like the Port Harcourt petrol kuku place, and the Shell own even dey bring better kpogiri pass the Port Harcourt own. If we look am wella, we fit come ask whether before dem yarn the amount come out say dem wan take do am, you go come ask whether dem first yarn the informate when concern the contract come out for Naija pipo. Dem do proper check put, because we no dey get correct gain for the kpogiri when e be say dem yarn say dem wan take do am. So Alhaji Atiku Abubakar when don dey yarn since say make government sell all the place when e be say dey for the kuku petrol for inside Naija, yarn join say the kpogiri when the federal government knack for ground say no suppose reach like that, sake of say na that one na im cause the way im come take dey suspicious the amount when e be say dem knack come out. Im come yarn say if you look the money wella, 1.5 billion kpogiri no be small money, especially as e be say Naija no dey too get the kpogiri when e be say dem need to take arrange better things for inside the country for the now. Im come yarn say other things dey berekete for inside Naija when government suppose knack the kpogiri put sake of the way the country economy dey suffer for this hard time. As the before president candidate for the People's Democratic Party write for inside the Twitter handle, im write join say this one na wetin everybody know. People wey no get work for inside Naija don reach 33%. Kpogiri to buy things for market don high sotey na 17% high na e dey today. For Atiku tweet again, for this hard time we must use big sense to use any kpogiri when e be say we fit gather for inside Naija, and even if we go borrow we must take sense do am to come knack $1.5 billion kpogiri put to rearrange Port Harcourt petrol kuku place. E no make sense to use kpogiri when e be say e no dey wella for inside the country for that kind thing. For im mouth again, first of all, our petrol kuku place no dey make any kpogiri since all this time when e be say e don pass. I don advise many times wetin we suppose do to those petrol kuku place. So the best thing to do na to sell all of them so that dem go come dey make money wella, sake of say dem go dey work wella, as the people wey be say dem go buy them go come rearrange them wella the way they suppose to be, and so dem go come dey produce well, and those people go come dey make money well, and Naija go even fit dey make money from am, sake of say those people go dey pay tax. We no go fit as a country expect say we go make wakamet for our economy if we continue to put kpogiri for things when e be say dem no go do us better, and we don dey waka deep enter inside this trap when e be say e don too much. Alhaji Atiku Abubakar come yarn say this one na the time wey be say we go correct all this kind thing when e be say e dey shele for inside the country, sake of say President Muhammadu Buhari government need to put the things wella so that country people no go dey feel the kind pain when e be say dem dey feel now for under im government. Country people, na here our tori for break leg for this time. We wan thank una well for the time wey be say una don take dey look us since. We wan still beg una say make una like, make una share, and make una comment wetin una see and feel for this story when we be say we bring come una this time for inside our comment box when e dey under this story video. We wan still beg una when dey do business say make una bring una product and service come give us, make we yarn am come out as advertisement for country people, make dem know say yes una dey do that kind business, and they go come dey buy from una hand, and una go dey make better kpogiri, and una bank aza no go ever run dry. Country people, once you beg una, make una subscribe if una never still do so on top the time be say una don take the look of things. And once you subscribe, make you touch the notification bell so that you go dey always dey get alert anytime we knack our hot ogbonge tori come out for you to hear and watch. Until next time when e be say we go still come una way again with ogbonge tori wey go don dey shele at that time. My name na still Stanley Okocha for DJM TV News. We thank una well well for the time when be say una take look us, and we say una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJ